guys, welcome back to my channel, and I have been so eagerly waiting to make this review video. You have no idea. Before I tell you any details, please like, share, subscribe, and a big thank you to all the viewers of my Daughter Earth video. I will be putting the link of the Daughter Earth video in the description, so who have not seen it, please go ahead and see the video. It is a genuine, honest review. Today, the brand that I'll be discussing with you is a very unique brand, and it drew my attention because, as you know, Google, Facebook, everybody is just stalking you. So once you put cosmetics in the search, you have so many advertisements and pop-ups of different brands and different cosmetics and skincare stuff. And this particular pop-up kept coming repeatedly, and I was like going through the details about this particular company, and I realized that there are some nice things that are in their package, which is very interesting. Today, we are going to be talking about Barwa skincare products. And I don't know how many of you all know, but I keep getting their advertisements repeatedly, and their main ingredient in all their products is pure cow ghee. Yes, pure cow ghee. And that is the one thing about their products that they always speak about, and all their advertisements speak about. Fine, cosmetic company and lot of products, natural ingredients, everything is cool. But the more, what can I say? The part that actually got me even more excited, or rather got Arvind excited, was they give you a range of free products along with their cosmetics. Okay, so cosmetics give cosmetic free products, and it is like, yeah, whatever, most of the brands do it. But this particular brand gives you free products that actually adhere to the other people in the family also. Let me tell you about the free products before we get into the real products, because the free products is something that has got Arvind so excited that now I think all my cosmetics are going to be only by Barwa Skincare. He's not going to let me order from any other cosmetic company. Let me remove. So, what they give as free products on a purchase of about 1,000 is instant food. Yes, this particular brand gives you instant food as free gifts. They are organic. I've not tried them as yet, so I don't know much about the taste, but I'll surely put a review about the food products. But they are all 100% organic. The ingredients of all these instant products has no preservatives. Yes, seriously, no preservatives. So this one is the rice upma, like you can read. It's a brand called Netras, which is again their home brand. And the ingredients here are rice rava, rice bran oil, salt, coriander, urad dal, cashews, harbara dal, sugar, jeera, hing, mustard seeds, curry leaves, red chili, ginger. Trust me, that's it. No preservatives. It is completely organic, and it serves 3 to 4 servings. And it's very cute that they give stuff like this as free products. It is very interesting because I say that this skincare does not just address the women, it also addresses the whole family. So the amount of skincare that I bought, I have got so many free instant food packets. So I'm certainly going to be trying them and posting a review. I guess I'll make Arvind do the review for this particular free gift part of Barwa Skincare. Coming to the skincare products of Barwa Skincare, I have come up with a list of pros and cons about it. No offense to the company, because the brand and the company is excellent according to me for multiple reasons. One, it is a home brand, so it is something that they do things in a very crude Indian way. It's an Indian brand. I love the way they market their products, because they are these lovely two sisters who take care of the relative department. Like, one is into the marketing of the skincare and the other is into the products and stuff like that. Then they have a lovely Insta page. I fell in love with their Insta page because they have their farms, they have cows, and it gives a very homely feeling when you go through their Insta page. And yes, so this is like a basic idea about the skincare products. I have made a list of the pros and cons that I felt about the products. What I thought is I'll do like a first impression. So I just unbox and I apply the cosmetics. what I will do instead is that I will go on applying the cosmetics on my face, so you know how it looks. At the same time, let me also tell you that I did use it previously to see whether how it lasts longer. So I have like approximately used it for 6 hours at a go, and only face makeup with the Barwa skincare. So while I'm doing my makeup, I am going to be sharing the pros and the cons about the products that I got. Skin is prepped. I have pulled my hair behind. I have used aloe vera gel. I have used Vishara aloe vera gel. I have already reviewed their products, so the link will again be in the description box. Now to begin with, let me tell you the highlight points about this brand. The highlight points are: 1, they promote multi-purpose usage of one product, which I have always spoken about. If you see, I have a 3 product full makeup video for daily wear makeup, where I have just used kajal, lipstick and talcum powder. I will again put that also video in the description. So basically what I suggest is, instead of buying a lot of products and using it and just keeping it and they getting expired, I always suggest to people to buy limited products and multi-use it. So they actually promote it. So they have a lipstick kit which can be used as a blush, as a lipstick and as a contour palette. So I like that idea of them using multi-purpose. So the second most important point is they do not have any skin lightening products. So they don't have anything that will make you fair, white, light, etc. So they have addressed issues like acne. They've addressed issues like oily skin, dry skin, but there is nothing that will make your skin white, which I'm really happy about, because there are so many products in the market which give like skin whitening, skin lightening. It all sums up to the same. According to me, if you have pigments on your face, either you eat healthy and cure the pigments, or you just use a concealer. I don't see marketing fairness products as skin lightening to avoid pigmentation. I don't understand that. That is again my personal opinion. So who use creams for pigmentation, it is their choice. But I do not promote anything that is fairness, whitening, lightening, etc. They have a lot of natural ingredients, a lot, like 80 to 90% of the ingredients are natural. There are a few ingredients which I still have to research about, but the concerning ingredient that they were using is mica. And when I read that, and most of their products have it, I was a little concerned, because I didn't want to pick up a product which had mica in it. And if you Google about mica in the cosmetic industry, I'm sure you'll get more information that says that how child labor is like majorly involved in breaking down mica and using it. So I went to the their Insta page and I DM'd them and I told that I'm not comfortable. Can you please give me more details about the mica source? And they were very kind enough to respond and say that they are using natural mica, and they have cross-checked and verified that the source does not involve in any form of child labor. I have still suggested to them to instead of mica, use something else, because the other ingredients are really good. So even if the source is good, I would have preferred if they would have avoided mica in their cosmetic line. Next, they have an amazing initiative called Bol Barwa, which I started to follow recently, where the founder of Barwa Skincare interviews people for creating awareness and as a social cause. And I would love to be on their channel one day. And yes, it's a nice way to not just work towards generating a cosmetic line, but to address a lot of other things around it. Like I said, the free gifts are also something that is in mind, keeping the family in mind. Bol Barwa is an initiative keeping the community in mind. So I'm really impressed by these things that they are trying to do. Now, another very big plus I found in their website is they have a concept called sets. And I want to mention that before I get into doing my makeup, is that they have the products are, you get individual products, but apart from the individual products, if you don't know much about how to use, what to buy, what is good, what is not, they've got these lovely concepts where you have something called a basic makeup kit, or they have something called a oily skin makeup kit. So what happens in that is they give you a set, like they'll give you a moisturizer, a kajal, a lipstick, and you can say a foundation. Or for people who are not into that, they'll only give you a kajal and a lipstick, or they'll give you a foundation and a lipstick. And of course, all of these sets have got free gifts, and they're very cute free gifts. Apart from the food, they give other free gifts also. So they are a lot into gifting, like our Indian culture, wherever you go, you always get gifts everywhere. So they've got a lovely gifting culture. So they've got these beautiful sets that they have on their website, and I would really recommend people, instead of buying individual product, like if you have an individual product in mind, you can certainly go and pick that up. But if you don't have an individual product in mind, you can go through their sets. And what I picked was a basic makeup kit, which was amazing, because in that, let me tell you, they have a perfect and glow cream. Like I said, they are into multi-purpose use. This particular thing is not just a glow cream. So it is a BB cream, it is an illuminating moisturizer, and it is a moisturizer also. So it is like all three in one. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply it on one side of my face, so you know how it looks. So I'll just apply. They have got a wonderful applicator also. This doesn't have shades. This is just a single color. It's a BB cream, and actually it is more of an illuminating moisturizer, I must say. So yeah. Okay, yesterday I did a big mistake of using too much of it, because it makes your skin look very, very oily after a point. It gets absorbed very quickly in your skin. I have put the light here, so I have used the first product, that is their illuminating moisturizer BB cream on one side of my face. Then they have only 3 shades in foundation, but the nice part is, again, it is a foundation and can be used as a concealer also. It is a cream foundation. So the first I picked a set, I picked a shade that was Illuminous, which was very, very light, and the next was a beige, and the next is a dark skin. So I really am not very happy with the shades that they have. I would really recommend that they use some more shades and they add some more. But what I like again is, if you notice, this is a lighter shade and this is a darker shade. The box itself changes color. So this is an Illuminous and this is a beige. What I'll be doing today is, now what they say is, if you use the moisturizer, it acts as a base also. So I will be exclusively using this only as a concealer. And I think it does a perfectly awesome job in doing that. And in between, let me just introduce you to one of the free gifts that they provided, which is a cute little mirror, which again I'll be using. So I'll be doing my entire makeup, including the mirror, with Barwa. So here I go. I'll be using this as a concealer. Now, they do not promote buying a brush, a sponge or anything. They say because it is based in cow ghee, they will always encourage you to use it with your hands, because it will help warm up the product. I didn't show you the package, I must say. This is a basic plastic package, but I like it, not bad. So it has the shade, it has the details and the price and the grams. So they recommend that you always warm the product with your finger. So they don't say that you have to use a sponge or something. But if you all want to, you all can go ahead. I don't think I needed to. Also, the one thing that I like about this product is, you don't need to use your techniques to do makeup. You can basically even just rub the product on your face. It really doesn't matter. So yeah. So this is the foundation, which I'm very, very impressed with. I would order it again. If you go to see individually, this foundation costs about $360, which again is not a bad deal, because foundations you do get cheaper, but you don't get this natural and concealer foundation kind of a concept very much. So this, I feel, is a very good buy for $360 as solo also, and as a part of a kit also. So I would call this foundation basically from a medium foundation. Doesn't completely cover everything, but at the same time, it is not a light coverage. It can really cover your marks, like you see. My dark circles, it does wonders. I have not used a corrector, mind you. I have directly used the concealer, and it does an amazing job. Now, coming to the next product that I got in their basic makeup kit is a kajal. I don't know what to say, because I was extremely excited to get the kajal, because it's an all natural ingredient kajal. I used to use a Lakme, which is not an all natural, we know it. So I got it with a lot of high hopes. Unfortunately, this kajal smudges like crazy. This kajal smudges a lot. So if Barwa Kamakshi madam, if you are seeing this video, please do something about the smudging, because the kajal is amazing with pigment. But this smudges like within half an hour. Somebody will say that I've been crying. That's how it just like comes down from everywhere. I don't know if I'm using it wrong. I'm just using it as a kajal. For now, just to show you all, I will use the kajal. I will just draw halfway across line. And mostly I might not use it any further. Or even if I do, I might just use it as a liner maybe. But as such, the pigment is amazing. I couldn't have asked for a better pigment. It's that awesome. But I am sad. I am disappointed. I really wanted a smudge-proof kajal. Generally, I never have smudging problem with any of the kajal I use. But this one particular kajal, I don't know, makes me feel like very sad. I would have expected more out of this. Now, leaving the kajal aside because it's very disappointing. Coming to their lipsticks are another bestsellers. They are cow ghee based. They have got a wide range of shades. I picked up just one because I recently picked up the lip tint and I am hooked to the lip tint. I can't stop using the lip tint. So this is the pack size. Yes, it looks very small, but when you open it, it's not that bad. It's pretty much the whole packaging, like from here to here. So I'm not disappointed with the size of it, but it is expensive. It is about 500 rupees. Might be because of the natural ingredients. I must say with Barwa products, they're all very, very expensive. I give them the point because they're natural. But if they're trying to target, like looking at the product range that they have, if they're trying to target people who are not too much into makeup and are buying this for like long-term use or stuff like that, I think the prices can be reduced a little bit. The sets are much more affordable than buying individual products. But yeah, do work on your pricing a little bit. And the kajal, I'm very sad. Coming to the lipstick, I bought a shade that is Rose Damask. I bought this shade because it is a nude shade. I have a lot of pop colors. I thought let me try something nude. And they are ghee based. I don't like the smell of it. So apart from that, it is a good lipstick. Let me show you. With the lipstick, I'll do a full lipstick because half lipstick looks funny. So yeah, this is the pigment. You need to swipe it, okay, to get the pigment. It is not just one stroke and you get the pigment. But it is good quality. It keeps your lips moisturized. I have a small concern that when I go to remove the color, it stays in my crease. So generally, any other lipstick, you swipe it out with micellar water or you swipe it out with a makeup eraser, it comes off. But this takes a little bit of time to come off. Saying that it is very, very long lasting. All the 8 hours yesterday I used it. I ate food, I spoke, I did a lot of things, and my lip shade was the way I had applied in the morning. So it is an extremely long lasting lipstick. So if you're looking for something that you apply and you're like, you just forget your lipstick back home, I would recommend this. It like stays for really, really long. Now they have said that this lipstick can also be used as blush. I'll be going ahead and doing that. So yeah, taken like all this, so much of it, and let me just blend it out. I will certainly be carrying this lipstick in my purse because it is a multi-purpose lipstick. I can use it as a blush, I can use it as a lipstick, and it stays really, really long. So yes, this is my pick for my purse. I would not mind picking a few more shades, but that is provided they reduce the cost a little bit. So guys, I went and quickly finished my look. I hope it has come out well. And yeah, now what happened is, like I had mentioned to you, I did not have the first shade that I got of the foundation was not my shade. It was a very light shade. Guys, this is like a quick video insert. So I have done the makeup for about an hour, and like you can see, my skin looks oily. So apart from the illumination, it does feel oily. I don't know how much I will recommend this to people who have really oily skin, but I would really request you all to contact Barwa Skincare if you have very oily skin, or choose your products right, because it does make your skin feel and be oily. So I don't want anyone to pick up the products and then develop more acne or something. But yes, it does leave a lot of oils, like you can see over here. So yeah, so it does get your skin oily. So please pick your products right if you have oily skin. With that, what I did is I thought I'll buy something else also, not just the foundation. So I picked up their body lotion. Man, this is heaven. Yes, so it is extremely expensive. Like this bottle, which is like the size of my palm, costs 500 and above. I know there are a lot of brands which are natural and are more expensive, but then I found this really expensive. But let me just tell you, like this is the consistency. Come on. Yeah. It is a very, very thick consistency. This is the consistency of the lotion, and it blends in very, very well in the skin. You don't even realize after a point that you have a body lotion, and it makes instantly converts your skin into something soft. And the fragrance, oh my god, it feels as if I've sat and peeled oranges with my hands, and that's how the mild orange scent comes, because they've used an orange oil, I suppose, in their ingredients. And this is like the best buy apart from the foundation that I did in this whole collection. So I would really go ahead and try their other skincare products also, apart from only the body lotion, because I'm really impressed. Body lotion like nails it. Please reduce the prices. I can buy bottles and bottles and bottles and bottles and just switch to this permanently. I loved it so much. So this is the Barwa body lotion, and I am crazy about it. Saying that, I think that is the end of what all I bought. All this totally like costed me quite a bomb. But since I could buy, like they gave a lot of free stuff for Arvind Prabhakar, I think he had no much of a problem buying all this. But if they would reduce the prices, guys, I will become your permanent customer. It is amazing. You need to tweak some of your products a little bit here and there, but I wouldn't call it a complete fail. Few products were an amazing hit. A few products were really, really bad, like the Kajal, like I said again and again. I'm sorry I'm repeating it, but I was really having high hopes. Like, if you see already, do you see this? It's like hardly whatever the time goes. And let me try to zoom the video a little bit. And there. So this is while I was doing the video, I put the Kajal and it has already come down. So I'm very, very highly disappointed with the Kajal. I really would like you to look into it and try to do something that can give us a better quality product. Like, the quality is good, it's just that I don't know why it smudges so much. So this goes away in my drawer forever. I don't know if I will be using it. But the Barwa foundation, permanent in my purse. I'm just not going to stop using it. I might just move to it completely because I'm getting into using lighter makeup as the day passes. So this is something that goes in my makeup kit forever. The illuminating BB cream is good. Like, you can buy it if you want, if it is a part of the set, but it is not a mandatory product in my list. The lotion, the concealer foundation is like the mandatory product. I might buy it once in a while products are the lipstick and the primer, moisturizer and whatever. And yeah, so that is basically it from me for this particular brand. It's an excellent initiative. I would request each and every one of you to go ahead and have a look at their website and check out what all they have. Might be you might find something that really interests you. They have hair care, they have more skincare. I just bought one, but they have got face washes. They've got a mango butter face moisturizer, which is one of their best sellers. Like, most of them who advertise for it, they speak of eating up too much of the time. Since I've already done a lot, please hit the like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any other brands like Barwa Skincare which keep popping in your search bar, you can just share that with me, and I will try to buy the product and try to review it for y'all. And I hope my reviews are helpful, because they are completely honest, not sponsored. Everything is bought, expensive but bought. And if you're enjoying my review videos, please give me more and more brand names for me to review. I would request you all if you can keep it more local, because I really, really would like to support small businesses. I would really like to promote small businesses because they are the future. It is wonderful to suddenly come up with your own concept and your own business. And I think personally, as much as I can encourage and support them, I will be more than happy. Barwa Skincare, you rock. And look forward for more orders from me and my family members, because certain products I am going to make them purchase it from you. So saying that, ta-da, bye-bye, have a wonderful day, keep smiling, don't step out if not required, be careful, and keep rocking.